Stay positive, better days are on their way. Train your mind to see the good in every situation. You can, you should, and if you're brave enough to start, you will. Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. If you can stay positive in a negative situation, you win. Extraordinary things are always hiding in places people never think to look. Only in the darkness can you see the stars. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Inspiration comes from within yourself. One has to be positive. When you're positive, good things happen. Say something positive, and you'll see something positive. Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. To live a fulfilled life, we need to keep creating the what is next of our lives. Without dreams and goals, there is no living. To win big, you sometimes have to take big risks. We all make mistakes, have struggles, and even regret things in our past. But you are not your mistakes, you are not your struggles, and you are here now with the power to shape your day and your future. What lies behind you and what lies in front of you pales in comparison to what lies inside of you. You were put on this earth to achieve your greatest self, to live out your purpose, and to do it courageously. No matter what people tell you, words and ideas can change the world. Only you can take inner freedom away from yourself or give it to yourself. Nobody else can. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Your pain is the breaking of the shell that encloses your understanding. Choose to be optimistic. It feels better. Once you embrace your value, talents, and strengths, it neutralizes when others think less of you. Surround yourself with positive people. At every given moment, we are absolutely perfect for what is required for our journey. When the sun is shining, I can do anything. No mountain is too high, no trouble too difficult to overcome. You have been blessed with immeasurable power to make positive changes in your life. Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you'll start having positive results. The power of imagination makes us infinite. The realization that limitations are imaginary will make you strong and overpowering. The world is full of magical things patiently waiting for our wits to grow sharper. The power to change your life lies in the simplest of steps. Words can inspire, Thoughts can provoke, but only action truly brings you closer to your dreams. A failure is always in the passenger seat in his or her life. The time has come to harness the blessed power within us and to use it to transcend from our current existence into a more empowered reality. Tough times don't last. Tough people do. To improve is to change. To be perfect is to change often. Aim for the moon. If you miss, you may hit a star. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. There is always light, if only we're brave enough to see it, if only we're brave enough to be it. Attitude is the little thing that makes a big difference. Once you face your fear, nothing is ever as hard as you think. Don't sit down and wait for the opportunities to come. Get up and make them. Hold the vision. Trust the process. Everything you want is just outside of your comfort zone. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Nobody can go back and start a new beginning, but anyone can start today and make a new ending. If it wasn't hard, everyone would do it. It's the hard that makes it great.